hell my Forerunner's not getting through.
Trailbenders Overland is presented by Stocka Media and supporting sponsor, The Waterport.
Pull out the tracks. Dang, this fool just janked on my freaking rig, and look, he got stuck in the same spot going down.
Going down? Of all things.
Nah, I'm just joking. Alright, so we're trying out the Ep6 recovery tracks. You're pretty sunk in. Oh my gosh. Look how soft this is. That's insane. I mean, that's pretty dug in pretty good. So, like I said, this is our first time as a team, and actually this is my first time really off-roading like this, so you know, I'm kind of learning on the go and experiencing what I'm, you know, all this stuff all at once. So what we should have done was ground guided each other. I think that's very, very important, and we should have done that. So you learn by doing.
Big rock right here. What? Yeah. Gonna be digging for a while. Alrighty, recording.
Alright, you're in 4 low, right?
Yeah.
You just want to crawl.
Gotta take out of neutral.
Dang. Nice and slow. There you go. Good, good, good. There you go. Perfect. Ep6 did it.
Let's leave it off for a minute. So we'll leave these out while you come down.
What we should do,
Just build you a track. Use them. So what we're gonna do is, just so that he doesn't run into the same issue, is we're gonna kind of fill in some mud there and then put the tracks down to help ensure he'll get through better than I did.
My route's gonna be on up high, straight up on here.
That just made me nervous from tipping, but
Should be okay. Yeah, should be okay, but I still want to fill this in. I go over here, at least I'll have a little bit of traction.
Are you good?
I'm good. As soon as I get past that point, I'll
Slow down.
slow down. I mean, I'm not going fast at all.
No.
Note to self, use your buddies, ground guides, because we definitely, as you can see, I mean, I didn't have a problem.
Well,
But,
you know what?
I mean, other than my four-wheel drive not working.
Yeah, and you were turning your wheels, and they were just like pushing forward even though you turned them. It was funny. But let's
Almost whacked your head.
let's get down there and then like have a group meeting and debrief.
Cool. Let's debrief. Yeah, I mean, as far as going any farther than this, I think we've now, since I know that my four-wheel drive was not working, and that last hill, there's no way that.
Oh, we got that one steep one to go up
I mean, we still have challenges
on the way back.
for my 4Runner, but we have 2 rigs, so we should be able to be okay.
Do we want to group somewhere and have a little meeting?
Okay, so first, what all just happened?
Well, within the last, I want to say, hour or so,
Yeah.
we found out some crazy stuff about our rigs, more or less of mine. So we had to turn around. My 4-wheel drive wasn't engaging, and we came into some rough stuff coming in. So hopefully I'll be able to make it through, knowing that I'm 2-wheel drive now. So when I get back, I gotta check that out. But as a team, we did really well. And
Yeah, well, I got stuck in the spot that I got stuck going down the spot that he was going up when I got all frustrated that he got stuck. And that was a really good lesson that we should be spotting each other,
yeah,
because that could have been easily avoided. And I thought I was in one spot and I wasn't, so that's a good learning lesson. It also helped us know what gear we need for recovery.
yeah.
As far as straps, we don't have proper toe strap setups, so it makes you think. Getting stuck makes you think about the future and what it takes to get yourself out of stuck situations, which is just part of what we do.
Yeah. So, well, I had a great venture. You know, I didn't know what to expect from this, and you know, take it as it comes, and life with a grain of salt. Because I mean, I could be working right now.
Yeah, we could be home.
We could be home, and
Who wants to do that? Well, and what was I? We got about 5 miles into a trail that is 26 miles long.
and we turned around. Also, not, you know, after we went around that bend and we found that that passageway was just, there's no way that we were gonna be able to make that.
Maybe, big maybe, if we did the trail backwards and went down it instead, but there's definitely no way going up. It was,
No,
we would have scraped on something.
Even going down, that was up to your waist.
It was, well, anyway.
And I have a stock lift, and you just have, like, you know, the
baby
spacers,
lift, yeah.
lift. So, you know, we're not trying to kill ourselves, and nature definitely will defeat, you know, our rigs and
don't want to do that.
and get us emotionally drained.
Yeah.
So, you know.
So, well.
So our objective now is to get over some of these bigger crossings that we came down in. Make sure that I'm gonna be okay. It's gonna, you know, darkness is come upon us. So
yeah. Well, and we know I mean, the first few crossings we went through weren't too bad. So we just want to make sure we get through the gnarly ones, that we don't have to deal with it in the morning.
Yeah. So, anyways,
push forward.
Push forward.
Or backwards.
One of the two. Whatever gets us through the, through this trail. So.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, man.
Dang.
Alright, you tell me how clear the shrubs are over there.
Go through the river and go up through that exit. I can't.
Like pie. If you can keep the speed up a little bit going through there. Well done and good call on that exit point.
You're 4-wheel, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, here I go.
Well done. That's a deep one. I had an amazing trip. It was definitely
Whoa, we are coming to a halt, a huge halt.
Push far left if you can. I'm in the left lane, you're good. All the way over. Well, welcome back to the city life of what you got to deal with when you're in the city. So traffic from here to probably my house. Back into radio transmissions about the trip. It was a pleasure and it was an honor being with you guys on this adventure. I know it got cut short just by a few hours, but hey, all in all, tonight we're going to rest up and have a new day tomorrow.
Absolutely, it was an honor to. It was our first trail together, really. We did that minor camping trip, but that wasn't nothing compared to this. So, great trip, and thank you.
Absolutely. For sure, we do have more trips ahead of us, that's for sure. More videos and more episodes to come. So, stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.
Copy that.
Overland expeditions, big and small, take time. Time to plan, time to execute. What matters is that you're having fun. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And as we continue to dream and plan new adventures, we can only hope that you will do the same. Keep trailbending and hope to see you on our next adventure.